what's up? It's B Breezy. I've been gone for a little bit. Usually I tend to disappear when I have like a lot going on in my personal life. It's crazy. Like, people have been asking me, where have you been? When are you gonna make your next video? I'm really appreciative of your support. So I hope y'all take this video for everything that it is. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, and if you are already gang, then what's good? We're gonna make this quick, right? So I've been trying to vlog like in the midst of everything that I've been going through. That's gonna be crazy. I think I'm gonna try to insert like everything so y'all can see a little bit of what I have been doing. And yeah, that's that. So let that play.
Hey YouTube, what's up? It's B Breezy back with another vloggy vlog, bringing you that big vlog energy. I'm on my way to go pick up my grandmother so she can come with me to look for a couch, because I ordered like all the rest of the major furniture items that I knew I wanted for the living room, and the last thing we need is a couch. And I'm really trying to start on the living room because I want to have a gathering just to have kind of like a celebratory moment with some of my closer friends and then a few of my family members. I'm gonna pick back up the camera when I get with my grandmother. Y'all, I got my grandma with me. She don't like being on camera.
Really dark brown leather. It'll be like a black leather because that's what's gonna match the gray better.
And this is a good gray because this is gonna match what I already have. Hey y'all, so it was a success with the couch. Should be delivered on Thursday. Today is Tuesday. And so now my grandma and I are just about to eat at a place called Miss Shirley's, which is pretty popular in the Maryland area. I know what I'm gonna get. This is the kind of boyfriend I have, y'all. The kind that's just as weird as me sometimes. Y'all, so this rug, the lady advised us that if we hang it over the shower rod and turn the shower heat on, steam it for about 15 minutes, it should make it easier to unroll. So that's what Babe's about to do. Me, I'm cleanup crew. Hola, ¿cómo está? I am at my friend Destiny's house. So we were doing a little building earlier and we ran into multiple complications. Number one, there's a scratch on the table, the coffee table, and I don't think my boyfriend really cares. He said he didn't care. I am annoyed. So I do care, but I'm annoyed because I also don't feel like sending it back. So I'm gonna opt with not sending it back, but I'm still annoyed. And the TV stand, OMFNG, why are they sending us directions with the wrong paper order, no words, and everything is not labeled by number, only some things. So it's leaving us a lot of gaps. I really wanted this all done. I have this thing where I guess I get really stressed by things not being to my expectation. So we took a pause on that. However, our couch does come tomorrow. She got the door open with all these cicadas. I must be the only one that cares because she's not even at the door. Like her door. Hell no. Oh, yeah. All right. I took my scarf off to check. My hair is doing what it's supposed to do. Whoa! Say hey to the vlog. It's a food truck. Let me show you.
I'm not eating. My stomach is saying otherwise. Let me put these shades on. You can figure out, y'all.
She thinks she look dumb. You just look good. Alright, y'all. We both got Hennessy wings. And then we're sharing the fries. So, yes, it looks so good. Alright. And there's the score. Okay. Alright, y'all. And that's a wrap. Game over.
Probably do the dash in a spaceship. You somewhere in the crib looking mad cause you white shit. Wake up, big bakes, tank, little bank, bitch, you bankrupt. All them hoes losing, but they ain't nothing. Niggas, we gon' fuck up this cash. I hopped out my feelings and I hopped in my bag.
Alright, y'all. So they had bombarded me in the middle of my nap. And here's the couch. I gotta screw it. The person demonstrated how to screw it for me, and he took off all the trash and took it with him. Thank you. I was not trying to do all that. Let me show you some woman empowerment. My cousin's gender reveal, so y'all see I got on my shades of blue, but I feel like our family has enough girls. Y'all, mother to be. She's getting dressed, so we're gonna make this one short.
Look, watch the
transformation.
Yeah.
Hey,
Hi.
Good.
she got a purse and everything. Look at my camera.
So what team are y'all?
Team boy.
Okay. Excuse me. What team are y'all?
Boy.
Okay. What team are you?
I'm team boy.
Yes.
Yep.
Boy.
Boy.
What team are you, Charmaine? Oh my God! Everybody. Team boy or girl?
I'm team boy.
Team healthy baby.
Okay. Boy or girl? Okay. What team are you? Boy or girl? Really? Okay.
Sorry, I can't
Oh,
tell you
is it because you're...
It's because I am the only one
Oh, okay.
that knows.
Oh, she already knows.
Yes,
Okay.
I know.
So we're gonna leave boy or girl in the air. But can you tell the vlog? What team are you?
I team boy, but both, you know, either way. You know,
Either way. Okay. Oh, I didn't know she had presents.
I know, right? Me neither. But
I didn't know people brought presents to this. I feel bad now.
Yes, yes. No, wait till I get
Are we doing a countdown? Can you count down? Add suspense. Add suspense by counting
Where are
down.
you shooting at, Simone?
I'm gonna shoot 20.
What? Only you are stopping it.
Ready? My heart is like beating in my butt.
1,
Oh.
2, 1. That's what she wanted. Yay! Yay! Oh, look at that. That's so cute. Simone! Yeah. Everybody knew. That's crazy.
Here, boy, wow.
Aww.
I told you.
No surprise. Okay, how you feel?
No, I'm hyped because I'm getting what I want.
Yeah. Yeah.
I thought.
Good morning, YouTube. My boyfriend and he came up with the idea to go to Six Flags in New Jersey because that one has a little bit more than the one in the DMV area. So I woke up at 4:30 this morning. Oh, babe, this bread got mold on it. Now I'm packing our lunch. So we gotta be ghetto and have hot dog sandwiches, which is cool. We still gonna make it work. I'm about to prep all this stuff, show y'all everything we got, and see y'all at the park.
Oh, it's all of them. Oh, he chasing one. You something, man?
No, shut up. I'm winding this bitch back up. He said that little ass girl. He said, I'm no, alright, chill. Yo, all these giraffes are in the street. There's 4 giraffes in the street. Live and in action.
Holding up traffic.
Live and in action,
I'm
y'all.
walking down the middle of the aisle.
Wow. Say hey to the vlog, babe.
What's up, y'all?
Oh, we did the safari. That was pretty cool. Hot dog and fries, baby. Girl, dang. Let me just... It's your girl B Breezy back with another vloggy vlog. Happy 4th of July, y'all. Filming this intro really quick because I'm literally outside my friend's house about to pick her up. We're gonna do a picnic, y'all. It's like a real low-key and quick thing we put together. I will pick back up the camera when we get where we're going because I'm about to pull out my NASCAR skills and I don't want y'all looking at me like I'm crazy, driving crazy. Well, yeah, y'all. We're at Federal Hill having a mini picnic, and I guess waiting for the fireworks to start. So yeah, I'll pick back up my camera when that time comes. All right, y'all, so let's get close. I'm with Angel. Yeah, we're outside. Obviously, y'all can't probably see, but I'm gonna flip the camera and show y'all the view. I know they probably having mad trauma. Good morning, YouTube. All right, so this is a continuation of last week's. Well, the whole vlog is over multiple weeks, but we're trying to make up for when we went to Six Flags, and we just came to a water park since we didn't get to do the water park part. I just woke up. Babe took the drive today. Finally, I'm gonna show y'all what it's looking like. I guess we gotta try to find it. All right, y'all. This is the entrance. Well, guess who else knows? YouTube. You said what? Y'all, one of my braids fell out. So I look like one of them girls who braids fell out all ghetto. But anyway, this has been a great experience so far. So this makes me feel much better about Six Flags not working out. So we got on the slides like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 times. We got in the wave pool. One kid almost drowned, so that was crazy. But now we're about to get a snack. So this is what the water rides look like. The slide gives you a terrible wedgie, and all these slides are slow except for the yellow one, which is hilarious. So this go round, we're gonna get on some of the water rides, but record each other. Compared to the other one, y'all got sunscreen in my eyes. Hey y'all, so we drove up to the harbor, which, if y'all remember the start of today's vlog, I recorded the bridge. Yeah, so the harbor is like right there by the park. And we're just gonna get a little happy hour food and drink and just relax and get ready to head home. Babe, you never said hey today because you were sleepy earlier. Babe says hey. Enjoy. Thank you. The man who just finished telling me about taking his stuff, but I knew we were gonna end up sharing the fries. We both got chicken tacos. I got a strawberry Rita, and he got a Long Island. Alright, y'all, today was a million trillion times better than all this other vlog footage I was trying to get to you all. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to be breezy. You don't know me.
Alright, y'all, so behind the scenes of all of that, I'm gonna talk to y'all just a little bit about what the heck I've been going through. So, number one would have to probably be like finances. I have a bad spending problem, and I am trying to get a hold of it. I did a great job up until, I would say, Corona happened and I got in a car accident and I had to get a new car, and I finally got a new place. So in the midst of all of that, I've been having a lot of financial ups and downs. I am back. I am back, to say the least, and that is thanks to Uber. So for all of those who need an extra chunk of money, I would really push that y'all try Uber, okay, baby? So that's what really helped me get back on track. That was stressing me just a little bit, like, cause I get overwhelmed under the pressure. Between that being like stressful and exhausting, because that's on top of the work that I already do, I wasn't really able to really record and get you guys a full video because I really was trying to take in the few free moments I was having to like get out and enjoy it, as y'all saw. And yeah, it was just no time to edit, no time, y'all, I'm telling y'all. And then I've been going through a mix of trying to understand my feelings. I'm very in tune with my energy. That is something I'm big on. So like, I would say the bit of drama I've had earlier this year, the lingering things that seem to keep coming up related to it. And if y'all don't know the drama I'm referring to with the video, with the friend, I'll link that. So I really just had to understand friendships, quote unquote. So I would say I'm really on a good curve. Like, you know, when you're doing track, the curve is when you're building up the speed, and the straightaway is when you take off. I guess the only reason why it's been a little bit of a struggle is because in the midst of that, I had another one of my friends who couldn't respect that I needed space, and that friend was a really close friend. I would summarize all of that to say people are gonna be crazy, people are gonna jump to conclusions, people are gonna be selfish and not really pay attention to the fact that, you know, you are their friend, their good friend. You know, you're gonna have your moments where you need time. If any of you are going through that, I would really just say, like, focus on yourself even more. Like, don't dwell in the drama, in the BS. Like, don't. The story time that I told, I entertained that situation a little more than I would have liked to, but as far as the other friend that I had a bump with along the road, I just literally did that with that situation because me is my primary focus. And in the midst of all of those things, the finances, the friendships, you know, I'm gonna tell y'all something that really only my closest friends, probably like 5 of my friends, probably only know this or less. My dad has cancer. He's choosing to handle that naturally. I just found out that someone else close to me possibly would have cancer. My grandma had it. my granddad had it, but he passed. And bomb drop, nobody knows this, but I went to the doctor and they said that I have cancerous cells, but to come back in a year and do like an updated checkup to see if those cells have, I guess, healed on their own. I talked to my dad and he told me that everyone is not meant to be here forever. Everyone will go how they go. And I'm really trying to be realistic, like, and have that mindset that it is okay. But of course you're gonna have your feelings, and with me being, I refer to myself as a positive person because I always try to lean on positivity. That's just what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna accept it all for what it is. I'm gonna pray. I'm gonna try to be positive. Moments where everything becomes really overwhelming for me, I just usually take them to myself, but I thought I'd talk to y'all about it so that maybe y'all could understand. Yeah, that's pretty much everything that I would have to say in a nutshell. So I'm just really excited as far as the house. Once again, my boyfriend is helping me. It's not just me. I'm just the one that's like designing and whatnot. So I'll show y'all that.
All right, so here's an overview of what we have going on so far. You know, I'm doing like a little 360 for y'all.
All right, y'all, so I hope y'all enjoyed those little clips of the updates. I hope y'all could really understand the girl when she just needs time to herself. I'm sure y'all can relate. And I do want to say I have something really exciting coming up for y'all. Don't think your girl is just gonna be dry forever. We got some heat coming in August, baby. Up until then, can y'all just cut me some slack up until August? I'm really gonna try. But if y'all don't see it, just know you'll see something when August hits. The subscribers are rising. They are not stopping. The numbers are still going up. So y'all know I'm very appreciative of that. And let's see. I think that is everything. So without further ado, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And most important, be breezy. See y'all.
Living with your friend, you ain't even have man lying on you. You know that. Got me a bag for the brick, you know that. Control them, slow the pace.